What's up? It's been a while since I uploaded the previous video, and this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Media API in JavaFX, and we will create a simple, basic and simple media player. Alright, let's get started. So let's create a new project, and I'm going to name this project as JavaFX Media. Alright, and I'm going to use Java, Maven, and this is going to be Kinsoft PH. And okay, next, create. All right, and our application is scanning the files to index. All right, let's wait for a while. Okay, I think that's good. And let's go to source, main. This is going to be our main class. And I'm going to rename the resources or the fxml file to media player. Okay, and do refactor. All right, and the controller as well. I'm gonna rename this to Media Player controller. And the main class, this is gonna be main. And okay, and I'm gonna remove the specified size. And JavaFX Media Player. All right. Now here, let's open the fxml file in Scene Builder and create the simple GUI. Wait. Okay. And let me delete the VBox. And I need a border pane layout. So I'm going to search for border pane. Okay. And I'm going to set the width and height. Let's go to layout. And this is going to be 850, or let's try 850 and 600. Okay. That's good enough. And I need a media view. The media view is used to play the video. And alignment bottom center. And I need a VBox for the controls, like the slider and the buttons for selecting media, play, stop. All right, and I need an H-box, basically two H-box, and I'm gonna resize this. So this is gonna be for slider, and the other one will be for the controls. The select media, stop and play. Okay, and now I'm going to find a button for select media, play, and stop. I also need a label for the duration. So label, and all right, and select the H box. So properties, alignment to center. I also want to add a spacing of 10 pixels. Okay, and I'm gonna rename the button here to select media. All right, and I'm gonna assign an action event. Select media. Okay, and this one is for play button, play and pause button. Play, and here I also need a variable fxid. So this is going to be btn play. I'm going to copy that, and go to mouse click, okay, and btn play, btn stop, and I don't need that. All right, this is going to be stop, and here at the label, this one is duration 0000. Okay, and go to code and LBL duration. Okay. All right, so I need a slider here and select the H box, go to duration and add padding on the right to 15 pixels and 15 pixels on the left. Okay, and alignment to center as well. I'm gonna need to, oh, this is gonna be go to layout and H grow to always. Okay, and oh, I forgot the media view. This is gonna be for media view. All right, and don't forget to go to controller and assign the controller class here and save. All right, and go to the IDE and let's make this work. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is to wait. Let me go to view, show sample skeleton, and copy that, paste it here at the controller class. All right, so I have a problem here. The media view is not imported because I need to go to pom.xml file because this is Maven. I need to add a new dependency here for media. Okay, and refresh the Maven. All right, and go back to, let's go to module info.java and require the JavaFX Media. All right, this is gonna be fixed. Okay. All right, now the first thing I'm going to do is to select a media. Excuse me. Select a media, and I'm going to use a file chooser for selecting a media, and this is going to be file chooser object equals new file chooser. So I'm going to call the file chooser that's set title to JavaFX. No, this is not JavaFX. This is going to be select media. Okay, and next is I'm going to use a file class for the selected file equals file chooser that show open dialog in the window. I need to basically we don't have a stage here in our controller. If I want to, I can make a stage object, but I don't want to, so I'm gonna put null here and import the file class. Import class, okay. And if I'm going to create an if statement, so if selected file is not null, not equal to null, this is going to be selected file. Selected file is not equal to null, then let's load the media. So I'm gonna need a URL for our media. String URL equals to selected file that to URI and to string. Now I need a media player and media class. So I'm going to import declare it here, private media equals to media object, and import the media class. So Import that, and I need another one for media player. Media player. All right. Okay. Now I need a media. I'm going to call the media object here. So media equals to new media, initialize the media, and pass in the URL here. And I also need to call the media player. Media player is equals to new media player and pass in the media object here. All right. Now what I'm going to do next is to I think I need to call the MediaView that set media player to media player. Okay, and all right, let's play the media player. Let's set autoplay to true. Right, and let's run the program to see how it works. Let's try to run this as of the moment. Okay, and I'm going to select media, and let's choose this one, open. All right, it's working. Our media player is working, but the media view is too small. And what I'm going to do next is to bind the media player and the scene. If I'm going to resize the scene or the stage, it will resize the media view. The media view will resize as well. All right, let's close this and let's go back to the media controller, and media view that's set or fit with property that bind, and I need to bind the scene, so I need to create another object, scene object. This is gonna be the same as the open dialog here if I'm going to use the stage. So I'm going to create a scene object is equals to, so I'm going to use the media view. I need to use the media view and get scene. Okay, now I need to pass in the scene object here that with property. All right, the same as the height, fit height property that bind scene height property. All right, now it's working. So the next step I'm going to do is to play, to play and stop. So here I need a boolean, private boolean is played is equals to false. So I'm going to comment this because I don't need the autoplay. And let's go here, the play button. So if not is played, btn play that set text to pause, and is played equals to true. And what's next? Else. Oh, I need to call the media player that play. Okay, and here at else, I need to copy this. This is gonna be play and pause. Oops, this is gonna be pause. Okay, and play is true and false. All right, and btn stop. I need this. Stop. All right. And now let's try to run the program again. see how it look like, to see what that look like. All right, I'm going to select media. Okay, the binding is working properly, and it is not autoplay. So if I'm going to click on play, it will transition to pause. Oh, it's not playing. Stop, play. Okay, there's something wrong with my. It's not played. This is gonna be play. Okay, and pause and pause. Okay, and let's run the program again. All right. Play. Yes, it's working, and I can resize it. See that? Our binding is working properly. And the next step I'm going to do is to work on slider and the duration here. So I'm going to pause and play and stop. Yep, it's working. All right, let's go back to the controller class, and here I need a media player that current time property that add listener, and I'm going to use a lambda expression, observable value, and duration. This is going to be old value, and the T1 is going to be the new value. All right, and open and closing parentheses. So here I'm going to use I'm going to call the slider current time property. Okay, duration. Slider. Oops, where's slider? Where is the slider here? Oh, I forgot to make a object of the slider. So let me go back to the scene builder and assign a slider here. Save and go back here. Slider. No. Private slider. MediaPlayer current time slider that set binding. I need duration, total duration equals media that get duration. And slider that set value total duration with 2 seconds. I hope that's working. So another one for media player that's set on ready, and lambda expression again, and all right. So no, this is not working. This is not working. This is gonna be here, and I need a slider set value to new value. That 2 seconds. Okay. And I think let's go back to the scene builder and let's go here. Mouse, I need a mouse press. Slider press. Okay. Show sample skeleton controller, and I need this one. Oops, I forgot to save. And go here. fxml private void slider press mouse event. All right, now I need to call a media player that's seek and duration that seconds slider that get value. All right. I hope this is working, and let's try to run the program. It's already 20 minutes. Okay. Play. Yep, our slider is running. And pause. Yep, it's working. So now let's proceed with the duration here, label duration. I need to go back to the controller and set and ready. LBL duration, that's set text duration is equals to slider that get value. And media that get duration to string here. I don't need this. And this is gonna be total duration. All right, and let's run the program again. Select media, select this one, play. Why is the slider is here? Let's select it again. Oops. Why this one is here? Okay, the duration is not working properly, so I need to fix this. So this is gonna be casting int (2 seconds). Okay. So there's something wrong here. Set max value. All right. All right. This is gonna be working now. Yes, it's working, but here, okay, I need to fix this again. Oh my God. So this is gonna be int or copy this. or convenience. Okay. All right. All right. The duration is 26 seconds. And if I'm going to play, yes, it's working. Let's go back here, 2 seconds. Here, 19. Yep. Pause, stop, play, pause, stop, play, and select another one. 31 seconds. Yes. That's it. That's how you create a media player in JavaFX using the Media API. And I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you in the next video.